In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Jira. If you've ever had a ticket sitting unassigned while your team tries to figure out who owns it, this walkthrough will help you clean that up quickly. Jira makes task assignment pretty straightforward once you know where to look. And in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to move from your main dashboard to the right project, find the issue you want, assign it to the correct teammate, and then verify that everything's synced properly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or sign in through Atlassian if needed. Once you're logged in and your main home dashboard loads, look at the top navigation bar and click on Projects. From there, choose the project where the task lives. This takes you into the active workspace where your team is tracking work, whether that's a Scrum board or a Kanban board. After the project opens, locate the specific issue you want to assign. You can scroll through the board if it's easy to spot, or use the search field near the top of the interface to find the task faster. When you see the correct issue, click on its ticket link to open the issue details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may open in a side panel on the right or in a full issue view. Once the issue is open, move over to the right-hand details section. This panel contains important issue information like status, reporter, components, priority, and other fields. Scroll through the list until you find the field labeled Assignee. This is the area where Jira stores who is responsible for the task. Now click directly on the Assignee field. If the issue hasn't been assigned yet, you may see an unassigned icon or placeholder. As soon as you click, Jira opens a drop-down with a search box so you can choose a team member. Type the person's name or their work email into the search field. Jira will automatically filter the list and show matching users from your organization. When you see the correct person, click their profile once to assign the issue to them. If the task is for you, you can also use the Assign to Me shortcut when it appears, which is a quick way to save time. Finally, take a moment to confirm the assignment updated correctly. You should now see the selected person's name or avatar in the assignee field. Jira usually saves this change automatically in real time, so there's typically no separate save button to press. Once that's confirmed, your task has been successfully assigned and your team can clearly see who owns the work. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.